Innovation, ethics and quality are the core values that Pidilite Industries Limited is executing across their business to achieve their potential and evolve themselves as the pioneer in the field of adhesives, sealants and specialty chemicals to meet the changing demands of the global marketplace. The dynamics of fashion keeps changing over time. Earlier fashion accessories like beads, stones and gems were stitched on fabric, which were costlier, unfinished and time-consuming. Pidilite Industries Limited has brought about a revolution by putting an end to the use of needles and thread for fixing accessories, and by introducing a magical product which works faster by eliminating the need to stitch and gives a stronger, stain-free, transparent and hence a multi-washproof bond. This product is named as Fevicryl Fast and Tacky Fabric Glue. Say no to stitching. Why are we bidding a goodbye to stitching? Why the company is so confident about its success? What is so special in this product? Over to Mr. Abu Saha Abdul Rahman, fabric glue importer from Sri Lanka.
We had been using or importing 4 brands. No Stitch fabric glue has been introduced into the market in lieu of all these brands. There is an annual Perahara, which is a procession of elephants, and the garb on the elephants is affixed with this No Stitch fabric glue, fast and tacky glue and gem glue. This replaces a lot of applications of stitching and there is no stitching involved. This is a very interesting area of usage, and today bridals in Sri Lanka are totally used with fabric glue. And along with that we have a range of dancers where the costumes are very colorful and with strings and stones. And all of them, this gem glue as well as the fast and tacky glue and fabric glue are used in great quantities in doing these dancers' dresses.
Stitching can do justice to only certain types of stones, whereas Fevicryl Fast and Tacky Fabric Glue allows work with much smaller and brighter stones to create intricate designs. She is Miss Meena Mehra, who has really capitalized on the benefits of Fevicryl Fast and Tacky Fabric Glue.
We're doing a couture collection and supplying to domestic market and international, US, UK, and we're doing it for the couture formal wear totally. We were using this product Fast and Tacky for jewelry ornamentation and for our Swarovski usage, where here you can see that we have extensively used Swarovski and stones which have been stuck on with this product, which is Fast and Tacky. The jewelry part also we are making on our own, where all the stones are joined together with Feviglue and Fast and Tacky. Fast and Tacky has really helped us with our neatness and finish of the pieces, because we are working for people who are retailing them further for the very elite and the high class. This is all couture. Main problem we were facing earlier was there was a lot of tackiness and there was the staining, which we had to redo the pieces all over again, and the buyers also had complaints, which have stopped now. As you can see, this is totally Swarovski working with stones, and this product has been totally used here for the sticking of the Swarovski. It's a sherwani, got a lehenga along with it and a jeweled effect. You can see over here, the jewelry has been made here, and this is giving a very stylized and traditional styling. And the buyers are very happy with the product because there's no staining and there's no problem of getting it removed.
Now we are at Antardesi, brand owned by Mr. Manish, showcasing men's sherwani and accessories enhanced with Fevicryl Fast and Tacky Fabric Glue. His designer wares are spread across the globe. Fevicryl Fast and Tacky Fabric Glue dries transparent, hence no need to worry about colors of stones or beads or cloth, and no need to change threads as in stitching. Now, Let's have a view of Mr. Rahul Anand about this magical product.
We are selling through internationally in London and San Diego, US and Singapore. Earlier we used to use stitching procedures. Now we have shifted to Fevicryl Fast and Tacky. Stitching every stone, it takes many time. The day we have started using Pidilite Fast and Tacky glue, we started treating this fabric as a paper. It's like a flat paper, and over there we are using the glues. We are just stripping the glues and then putting the stones. To make a garment, it's like a process. We have to get one work done, and after that there's other work, then there's the finishing of the garment, stitching and everything. When we move to the next process, the difficulty occurs when it is stitched. When it is glued, we can re-glue it again. Suppose 1 or 2 stone comes out, and to re-glue it much easier rather than stitching it back again. When you see garments like this, it's a very thicker fabric over here. Once this entire work is ready, suppose few of the stones like this, these stones comes out, to restitch it is very tough because it takes 2-3 layers. So what we prefer, we just glue it. It's much easier, much faster to create this using a thread. It's very tough. It's like next to impossible. But by using glue, you can see this, it's like completely glued. We don't see any thread hanging around and all this thing.
I'm Anushka. As you know, we have to use different material at a same time in the same handwork to make it more beautify. This is a very beautiful design, and it's like little tiniest of stone where there's no possibility of stitching, and we can just stick it in a little while. The whole work can be done in a very fast with you using Fevicryl Fast and Tacky. Sometimes it doesn't even have a hole. So how would you find a hole in everything and stitch it? So in that we never face any problem while using Fevicryl Fast and Tacky. We have this wonderful piece where you have the whole beaded nice beautiful neck where there's no threads visible. We've just stick the whole beads right here at their place inside the lot of fabric, and then you have different colors right there without any thread marks which are here, and there's no need to stitch. You can rightly stick clean, nice, beautiful effect just by sticking the Fevicryl Fast and Tacky right here. You can see a Lakme Fashion Week creation where we created the dress along with the shoe. It's just the magic effect of Fevicryl Fast and Tacky where we don't have to stitch it all around it.
Did you think that Fevicryl Fast and Tacky fabric glue is only for fabric applications? Then you must be mistaken. There are varieties of applications of this product. One can use it absolutely on non-absorbent and absorbent surfaces. Very quick to dry, and the bond is absolutely permanent and washproof. Even if you put it in water, the beads will not come out. He is Mr. Vijay DeCosta, showing you the applications of Fevicryl Fast and Tacky fabric glue on different surfaces.
There are a variety of applications of this particular product, and I am going to show you a few of them. Here we have another pair of sunglasses. This was an ordinary pair of sunglasses like this one, which has been transformed into something as beautiful and glamorous as this by a very magical invention, which is none other than Fevicryl Fast and Tacky fabric glue.
With the growing complexities of a global business environment, fashion world not only demands innovation in the fabric of the dresses, but also requires new age fusion of the accessories. The canvas of fashion accessories is quite vast. For imitation jewelry segment, Pidilite has introduced a miraculous product called Gem Glue, which will have its share of impact in the transformation of the fashion industry. Mr. Suresh Mahale delivers expert comments about Gem Glue.
In imitation jewelry and fashion accessories segment, people were using two-component system as well as a lot of stitching. Both are time-consuming and cumbersome. Here comes our Fevicryl Hobby Ideas Gem Glue. This product is single component. This is a two-component adhesive, hassle of squeezing out two components, closing the tubes, then mixing the two component. If the mixing is not correct, the result could be very bad. After mixing, this two component system is filled in a cone for application full of hassles. Filling the cone is cumbersome, it takes lot of time wasted in cutting the tip of the tube and then squeezing. While application, this 2-component adhesive gives a tailing which you can observe. In case of Fevicryl Gem Glue, no such hassle. The dispensing is so easy and no tailing at all. Here, see the difference. The 2-component is looking dull and yellowish in color, whereas Fevicryl Gem Glue is brighter and more transparent. This is our new product, Fevicryl Hobby Ideas Gem Glue. I'll be applying on this ornament. The controlling of drops, dispensing, no pressure, no tension. You can take your own time placing the gems. So this Fevicryl Hobby Ideas Gem Glue, so easy to apply. Small drops, no tailing. You can apply as many as 100 drops at a time continuously, not worrying about the drying out. Gem glue on drying becomes totally transparent, almost like glass. No opaqueness, no haziness. When the adhesive was applied, it was whitish all around the gems. So now it is 5 minutes, the adhesive is dried, the entire visible white adhesive has become transparent and invisible. This has been made with gem glue, and all the stones are pretty strongly bonded. In case if you want to clean this or brush it off, you can use a strong brush and clean this ornament, and none of the gems will come off with this. It's pretty strongly bonded. This necklace is made with Fevicryl Hobby Ideas Gem Glue, and by mistake if this necklace falls on the hard floor and it takes all the punishment, the metal piece may break but not the gemstone.